Kitchen faucets have come a long way, and Carysil takes it a step further with the all-new Waterfall Faucet, designed to transform your kitchen into a beautiful and functional space. This innovative, multifunctional faucet comes with 3 modes. Need to gently fill a pot? The steam function does the job. Washing dishes? The spray function removes the most stubborn mess. And the feature that makes this faucet the showstopper, the waterfall mode. The wide spout ensures even coverage, minimizing splashes and keeping your kitchen mess-free. 360-degree swivel, spray and spout, you have the flexibility to reach every corner of your sink effortlessly. You can also pull out the spout for easy cleaning, reaching every corner of even the biggest pots and pans. Plus, it pairs beautifully with the Carysil workstation sink. The sink's integrated ledges and accessories work seamlessly with the faucet's functionality, making meal prep and washing dishes a breeze. With Carysil's glass rinser, you can easily clean the hard-to-reach spots of your glass. Ready to elevate your kitchen? Upgrade with Carysil's Waterfall Faucet today.